The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Menteri Ketenat Boarding ke Sarkar Meghalaya, Uba Metbah Lengdo, ula pensyai lor kimat ke bakongsan jo ketenat boarding da ke bakedau, ya ke PM-KUSUM scheme. Bagi Sarkar Meghalaya ke Kyrshan ni Nongrep da ke baai sau pusana ke sispa ke subsidi na ke Sarkar jela. Man pendunai ke jenglut jong kinau yok jeng mentoy, sya ke san na ke sispa. Da ke bakedau bagi ketenat gedang yai beteng benelek ban pendat arah jar telitam ki solopom ke bethamai. Ha ke bayadai bad ka PM Surya Ghar ane ka solar rooftop. Lapan pau ya kajing halor kajing bodor ke beduna dak Sarkar Pedeng. Namar kajing long ka jaka luam, kajing lut shisha ban pendat 1 kilowatt kala ban kot hado prapo hajar tengka lani prapusan hajar tengka. Kat bak Sarkar Pedeng ka buok kador ke beduna bha. Ulong syok bakani ke pendret kajing wanca kemat jeng kipat ba. Ha ka baydai pat ba kajing penlep boarding. Ba Metbah Lengdo ula pensyai ba kajing lip boarding bam syem la pentip kam dai ke belat mulupa. Kajana mar kajing pen bhai kajing snew, kajing pen trailan thamai, ane kajing penan kam ya ki substation ke bethamai. Adadun kajing temu kajing pentip lyngba kirang ba snong lani ki sordar. Bar ula kular ban syem khia ban penduna bat un persyang ban pentikna bagan amdon kajing lip boarding wat haka ayom telang. Ha ka baydai pat bat ka solar power project. Katenat kadang sedang menekran halor kamat ban penur long ya ka solar power project ha ka jela barok kawai.
Meeting in Guwahati, where the Honorable Minister, Union Minister, was also present, and where it was discussed at length with regards to the implementation of these solar schemes, which was one is the PM Surya Ghar Yojana, and the other one is the PM-KUSUM. And well, in the PM-KUSUM schemes, they have Government of India has structured 50% of the subsidy on the installation of these solar pumps, which is given by the central government. And 30% is given by state government, and the other 20% is to be borne by the beneficiary. And but here in Meghalaya, we are providing around 45% subsidy to the scheme, where at the end of the day, the beneficiary ended up by being just 5% only. So we are already in the process of installing about 2,000 plus additional solar pumps. And we have also the constraint here as far as the solar rooftop installation also. And in fact, this is one of the issues which I have raised before the Union Minister, is with regards to the benchmark for the cost for every 1 kilowatt. They have given a benchmark of about 55%, cost of the installation of each solar rooftop. But whereas the cost here, the actual implementation cost of this is around 80 to 85,000 rupees per kilowatt. The reason is because in the plain, well, it can be done perhaps in around 55 or 60,000, but here being the hilly terrain area, so it will not be possible. So with this less contribution or the less benchmark cost which was given by the Government of India, by the ministry, this has not encouraged really or convinced the beneficiary to come forward for to avail or to benefit from this schemes which they have already introduced. But however, I think this is one of the very good scheme the government of India has introduced through the Ministry of Power, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and we hope we'll be able to cater to this, because this is one of the other option also now with people has to look at as far as the power thing is concerned.
The idea of having a solar power plant in Meghalaya. But all this while we have not seen even a single plant power, like solar project. So any update on that if the government is working on this idea, sir?
We had just initiated the discussion on this matter. I think this is very good point. In fact, I don't want to say too much on this because we are at the very initial stage to discuss on this. So you need lots of things to be taken into consideration, and we are trying to explore the possibility of this new idea also.